Hi there, I would like to introduce you to Authorizer. Authorizer is an open source authentication and authorization solution for your business. Let's see why you should consider using Authorizer. First, it is open source and free to use. You can bring your database and have control over your user data. It supports database of your choice like Postgres, MySQL, SQLite, and more to come in future. It also supports role-based access management system. It has secure session management system using HTTP-only cookies. It supports multiple auth recipes like social login, basic authentication, and magic link login. It has multiple integrations and implementation support as well. For example, JS SDK, which you can use in front-end and back-end. It has React SDKs, which you can use with React specific projects, and more to come in future. It also has a built-in login page where you can redirect your user and you will get sign up, sign in, social logins, and forgot password features out of the box. It supports multiple deployment options as well. You can deploy it anywhere. For example, you can deploy a binary. You can also deploy it on Kubernetes. You have Docker image as well. And you can deploy on Heroku as well. It is developed using modern stack like Golang and GraphQL. It also supports custom scripting for advanced use cases. Let's have a quick demo of how you can use Authorizer. First, you need to deploy Authorizer instance. For this particular demo, we will be deploying it on Heroku. Let's give our instance a name, Authorizer stream. Here, you can configure multiple environment variables like whitelisting domains, setting the cookie name, adding your database URL, setting your roles, whether you want to enable email verification or not. In that case, you will have to set up your SMTP host and server. You can mention the social media application secrets over here, and based on that, various social media logins will be enabled. You can set the organization logo and name. This will be displayed on your login page. You can set Redis URL for persisting the session. There is a detailed documentation about each environment variable which you can go through. For the demo purpose, we will just deploy the basic one. This usually takes 30 seconds and our app is deployed now. Let's have a quick look. So this exposes a GraphQL playground and a docs for all the APIs. All these APIs are also listed in the Authorizer documentation. You can go through them and get the details of it. You also get a login page. It's at the /app URL. Now let's try to integrate this in our website. So I have a blog where I would like to integrate Authorizer. So I will copy this code. Here I'm using vanilla JavaScript. I would insert this code. Here I have to set the Authorizer URL, which is https authorizer stream.herokuapp.com. I have already set up the logout button over here and named it logout as a class, and the ID as well. This will be hidden by default, and if the user is logged in, then only we show this. So this is the code for that. I'll just uncomment it. You can set these variables based on whatever are the configurations on your page. So let's quickly try it on my blog. So once I refresh this, you'll see that it redirected me to the stream app that we have created. Here I can sign up. Once I'm signed up, you can see that I get the user information and the logout button is also enabled. So this is how you can create the Authorizer instance and integrate in your application. In a nutshell, Authorizer is like one-stop solution for all your authentication and authorization needs. Thank you for watching. You can share your feedback or issues on GitHub and our Discord channel.